So let me start this game up. Smash fast. You have the splash screen with the Unity logo, which is all right. So I have a simple menu screen with a start button, leaderboard, and the music. So these are toggle switches basically. I turn off the music, the effects that are in the game, to toggle them on and off. This is a little of the gameplay. Different music starts up. So then down here, you had a pause button. That's your score, high score, and all of that. So I could turn off the music and effects while playing. I could either resume or go back to the main menu. So this here shows the highest score of all players. This has the current score. This is the current user's highest score. And I do this through PlayerPrefs, and we can talk about that later. So basically, every box that comes through has a different value, right? So the yellow ones have a different value, red, the blue. And you can only miss 5 boxes from each smasher. And those brown looking yellow ones, little dark mustard ones, are toxic boxes, and you can't smash those in or you automatically lose. So what I do is I have a random number, so between 1 and 100, right? I give priority to which random boxes, red, blue, yellow, are toxic based on those ranges. So maybe like 1 through 40, a random number 1 through 40, and then 70-80% of those are yellow and the rest are toxic. And then split the other 60%, maybe 10% of those are the red, which cost the most or are the most. So this was the hardest part, the leaderboard. Because with Unity, I didn't have, that much experience with it. So I didn't know how to wait, basically, or have like some sort of event, because it has to go out to the database and get all of these leaders and the scores, right? So you go look, you have to check against the current score of the player and then compare it to the ones in the leaderboard. So that takes time, and every time I would go into the leaderboard, nothing would show up, right? Because I had to wait until the information was there. So I did a coroutine or whatever that would help with that, but it's still not efficient. So that's where I figured out delegate and how to actually use delegate in Unity, which helped a lot. And also at first, the size of this leaderboard, I couldn't get it to fit right within the canvas. So it took a whole bunch for me to get that to fit. And so in the future, I can decide whether or not I'm going to do tutorials on those specifically. But see, let me show you this right here. So someone entered your mama, right? What I was going to do is have safe words, because you can basically enter anything you want in these boxes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create filters where, you won't be able to put in certain words that's just won't be acceptable, because it's going to be displayed publicly, and certain things I personally don't want in there. And I will also do a tutorial on that. But this one, Smash Fast, is already done. It's in the Google Play Store, so make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff. And then I'll show you a little of my zombie game, which is the second game in the challenge, pretty soon. So subscribe, like, comment, share, answer questions, all of that good stuff.